Hello ladies, and welcome to My Natural Hair Delight. It is late at night and I just wanted to share a quick tip. So I'm about to wrap my hair up and I have a satin wrap, but I don't want to put the satin wrap directly on my hair because my hair is very moisturized with oils. I put moringa, fenugreek, mango butter, all kind of natural goodness on my hair, and I don't want any oil stains on my pillow. So what I did was, and I'm gonna find a better way to do this, but for right now, this is what's working for me. But what I did was I put a shower cap over my hair first, and then I wrap it up with the satin wrap. And that way, no matter how much moisture you put on your hair, if you wrap it up, even if you just like double wrap it, like if you have like two satin wraps or two silk scarves or something, just make sure that you don't use one type of wrap, because most of the times that will go straight through the wrap and then it'll go right to your pillow, and then like all the moisture that you put on your hair is basically just like ripped out and it's just like transferred to your pillow, and now your face is oily and now you're just having just that's just terrible. Okay. Like for instance, like this wrap right here, it's a nice satin wrap, but it's very thin, and so it's see-through, so it's like you can still lose some moisture from your hair if it's not wrapped, if it's not first wrapped with like a shower cap or like another wrap or something. So I just wanted to share that with you all because I'm just like, I made the mistake of wrapping my hair up with the wrong type of wrap, and it was very thin, and it was just not the right wrap for my hair. And I ended up losing all of the moisture that I put on my hair, that I spent so much time doing, and as a result my hair was dry again, and I had to re-moisturize it, and it was oil stains on my pillow. It was horrible. Okay, so I found a better way, and as I'm continuing to grow in my natural hair journey, which is an ever learning journey, I found a better way to do this, which is put the shower cap on first and then put the satin wrap over the shower cap. No oil stains, no headache. But I know that there is a better way. I just don't know yet. This is by far the best way that I know how. So if you have already subscribed, I want to thank you for subscribing to My Natural Hair Delight. The reason why I'm doing this is because I strongly believe that the Lord is calling me to help ladies, specifically African American women, to embrace their natural hair. And not only to just embrace their natural hair, but to embrace it with all natural ingredients. Because too many times we put so many toxic chemicals and ingredients on our hair that is not beneficial, and it rips our hair off, especially if you apply perms. Oh, that's a whole nother subject. But anyway, so I just want to share that with you all. My hair has been growing like tremendously, and I just started putting moringa and fenugreek on my hair, and I love it. I love how it makes my hair look. I applied mango butter to my hair as well. And if you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delight. And I will talk to you all again soon. Bye-bye.